to go filing season, the most dramatic time of the year.
But if file and pay, me you was any stress. Saturday like me June 30th.
Sio extend. Sindio?
Kwani kuna kulipa?
Kufaili ni kitu moja, kulipa ni ingine, na lazima ufanye zote.
Simi nadhani hiyo ni ya watu wenye wanafanya kwa maofisi. Ai wewe acha kunienjoy wewe. Mimi niko jua kali.
Usipolipa, unachapa mafaili kila mwezi.
Hakuna kitu ni stress kama kufanya tax returns na kulipa kodi. I'll get somebody else to do it for me.
Last year I filed babe. Kwanza mapema. I filed it on June 29.
Lakini ukulipa, ndio maana uchapo mafine.
Hi babe. Kwani whose side are you on?
Nilisha file na nikalipa kitambo for my salo na pia my side hustle. Hata ni rahisi.
Round hii, make sure umefile returns. Na ya maana zaidi, umelipa. Jijue, halafu jibeta.
Tuko oria Jumatano hitichi gatatu chitariki 15 na Ibere wairibia mwancho muligire ndonse. Sore karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabono mugaso tuko oria bene tuyare ko ya muligire hayagendere tena kubwa muno kurase serikali na nabwo amungana bwa trenetie uchumi yense ya Kenya. Kuruko Matildah Obaigwa karibu sana ase inchira ya bene na kirongo chaka Ekeonga nikobono omo MCA ward ya Kisii Central Cross County ya Kisii ono anyareko kya okubokibwa kwae magiga yokobekwa kuba omunyakirogo kwe kamati ye bunge county ya Kisii eliye koligereria na koenekya amagendera anyare gwikiraniwa asechi ward au kaukona magiga yogosomwa we budget ye county ya Kisii muske monyenye nigatebire buna nacho koenekya amagendero ali abekirwa se budget anyare gwikiraniwa asechi ward chonsi 45.
No Mheshimiwa Wilfred Mwenyenye Yoge igone no mugoko munene muna nae twikirukia abo chairman wa implementation ase county hito ase county assembly ngwakira abaheshimiwa bonse pingambi yamono na committee ya implementation aso kongalirwaga koba chairman ya implementation budget yo mwaka oyo 2026-2027 injemne chairman enyi ya implementation kira kigoti yeto 45 ase kibese kiabekirwe kire a project injemune chairman implementation ikanta ali kigoti yeto chonse pi 45 na magendera liabekira ase budget inyaligererie inseneke inga kolirwe no eno yokukana nga magendera tali kwenda buoye ase budget ya rero kire ebintu byonse pi omu MC abegete kurwe ward yaye no byali ngime no byali captured igo mu MC o complain nga bintu byaye tibiyo ase budget kere bintu abegete ase ward yaye amagendera ali abegete onyine gipara no kire onyine health no ere onye water no ere onye education no ere onye trade no ere igo kire gento nkero igo ngo tebya bagandwa bintu mu besa ko complain aba kusiasi montegerete ward jeito chons na Kisii accounts budget yeito gere ngiya wetania budget kinde chonse pi kyakolirwe ase myaka ende yonse igo none ebintu biribire byabere carried forward na ubikoenda bikorwe kwa sababu kibese ikionara na okire forwarded to a budget ya omwaka oyo no mwaka onde igo abagambi rema oyo no mochiamani omoremu obwate experience naende goika kore gasi amo no mugaba noito goika mugwasie gasi ende torore Kisii county ya rabiresa
na umancho mulire kubatikana nengane yo ase amangana ye budget yo mwaka obwechibesa 2026-2027 ko monokrase county ya Kisii nikobono omo MCA obasi central omoske Moracha bono anyarire ko mochiga tia ba MCA barorekanire bagwaka irio gibuna magendero tari wikananirwa asechi bunge asechi wodichiria abakora una nekiagera abali asense moyo kwamereria serikali ye county na kubwa muno nigatebiruna ebirero bya ba MCA byonsi bibonete gwikiraniwa ase bunge ye county ya Kisii na bwigo nekiro banyare kwene kibuna amagendero nacho gwikiraniwa asechi wodi chionsi uwanchereria hotayo
kuna njenjo record bus central ali nongo soa na prosecute case kia ne koru taliska ali meteim babugata masakaranga jipara tubwate jipara tati na arwete ntora akora igote bya bajumbe bali bagocha simule batebye speaker noel ebunge noel bachorona ichi list yechu babugate tuchite bogali tokorera abantegasi no mu governor promise tinga he will work as a ward Jones without being biased. So abana siasa bali babugate siasa enkenge singinjo twaligere chikura barorire nga saingine bintu byabeire bobechi ward chiabo batebi bache bunge to prosecute case to korera abantegasi singinjo no bato chole to korere gas.
But I also want to report that this budget has good things for the people of Kisii County because we factored in purchase of maram at 80 million and fuel at 120, which will facilitate the construction of roads across the county. We also have the highest budget for water, which will be 2.25 billion shillings, Kenya shillings. And this is because after we had purchased the machineries, now we had no option other than to also concentrate on giving people water.
Now, Mancho Murigre, oyore omo waziri bwikiganje gya serikali umuske John Mbadi nigubono anyare kuruka bosio bwe bunge ye senate omugasolero na chinga kicho nanyara ukwanira merobulyo ye serikali yokwenekia buna obwasio ku bwabere bokwenekiwa asia mangana yokwena na chikonda guchasi aba contractor asichi sector au na kubwa mono asichi serikali ichi county nigatebire na wetira asingane yo nikubono bukurumi buranyare gokea na boigo gosiri wa kwenibo wetira abanyakonda abukuru matukamugiga yarorekare muna kibese kinyinge nigo cyabere kigosira engana abere kagusira nagotebuna imetandao nero erakonye ukora umuchando yo.
So, Mr. Speaker and honorable members, the National Treasury officially launched the electronic government procurement system on April 7th, 2025, and directed that all public procuring entities should conduct procurement processes through EGP system effective from 1st July 2025. Mr. Speaker, as we all know, Article 227 of the Constitution requires a system of procurement that is fair, equitable, transparent, competitive, and cost-effective. And in compliance with this article of the Constitution, Parliament, in fact, indeed enacted the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act of 2015 with its attendant regulations in 2020. Mr. Speaker, EGP is a system that automates procurement processes from bid submission, tender opening to the tender award. And the system minimizes human interaction, which is the main objective of this system, which traditionally has been a major source of corruption, favoritism, and solicitation of facilitation fees. So, Mr. Speaker, the system, if I may just quickly describe it, is built on the open contracting data standard, which enables the publication of procurement data for public scrutiny and therefore strengthening accountability. Mr. Speaker, members, oversight bodies, suppliers, and the public can monitor the status of tenders from submission to award. The implementation and use of the EGP system will therefore result in reduced cost of goods, works, and services, increased transparency in procurement processes and practices, improved efficiency in procurement by minimizing the procurement cycle time, and maximizing value for money, fostering accountability and transparency, and of course, improving confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity of transactions between procuring entities and suppliers.
Na mwancho murira gotigara ase bunge enene nigobono mu bunge o South Mugirango muske Silvana Sosoro anyare ukwanira omuswada kusengana ayaberege koleta libirera anomuno so wakana kwebango kwa abali ababwate chinyomba bamanyikanete una landlord saso mono bwekenya mulero kucha ase serikali askera tebiruna ekirengo kibango eyo oba kubwatoka kera kuse wakana kucha ase serikali nigobono yaberege koleta okongusanana anomuno ase abali baria bobwate chinyomba kurinde tibamenyeti ime yense ya Kenya ingana anyarire kwerera buna ebwenerete gukorekana na gutebuna talibango enye yanyari kubikwa ase sector eyo.
Or they've been addressing this House of Speaker saying that there is an introduction, Honorable Speaker, of the non-residents landlords tax, Honorable Speaker. What do we have currently, Honorable Speaker? Honorable Speaker, landlords pay tax at the rate of 7.5% currently. All the landlords that own the houses, Honorable Speaker, pay 7.5% in terms of tax, Honorable Speaker. Even the non-residents, Honorable Speaker. Members of this House, Honorable Speaker, who are well-schooled will tell you that you cannot tax on a single item twice, Honorable Speaker. What usually happens with the taxes on the landlord's income, Honorable Speaker? Currently, Honorable Speaker, landlords pay, the non-resident landlords remit their taxes through their tenants, Honorable Speaker. They are not residents of this country. They live, for example, in the US. They work somewhere in, in Europe. It is the responsibility of their tenants to remit that particular 7.5, Honorable Speaker, on behalf of the non-residents, landlords, Honorable Speaker. And this should be very clear. Currently, it is at 7.5%, and all landlords pay. All of them, whether it is residents or non-residents, as it is right now. But now, the non-resident landlords, Honorable Speaker, remit their 7.5 through their tenants that live there. So what this bill seeks, Honorable Speakers, to do is to at least reduce the hassle by the tenants, Honorable Speaker, not to be remitting on behalf of their landlords. I mean, it is just to tell them, hey, you non-resident landlords, pay or remit your taxes directly. It does not seek to introduce a new tax. It is not new.
Na humwancho murire asietaro yumrai wensi ya Kenya kutia senseri ya France kuye wakilisha chinse chansi ya sorogongo ra Afrika asigi karo gia G7 moske William Ruto ni kwa tebiruna ase amakiaiga ase bikaro obunebyo orogongo ra Afrika ni goro gutwara engana yengencho kusero rokoba orengencho na kubwa murabuna ni go rubuate enibo eyo egotumeka kose egotaliwa gochase chinse chonsi ase ensengi masa tebiruna ase chinkwana echo chabene chigo koreka boniga no kweneke buna Afrika terikoba ense kose terikoba orogongo rugusabirira kolinde no rogongo rukubwaterana ne chinse chirichi achirare na boigo kogendera kwegendereria na boigo gukonya na gusirana kebirengererio na samangana yoboncholeria.
We are presenting a new paradigm shift of relationship between Africa and our partners. This is no longer going to be a relationship about dependency. It's going to be a relationship about sovereign equality. It is not going to be a relationship about aid, charity, assistance. It's going to be a relationship that we want about mutually beneficial partnerships. And number three, our proposal is that extraction is no longer acceptable or tenable. Going forward, we believe that the most consequential and beneficial relationship is through investments that are mutually beneficial so that African assets, natural resources, vast energy, renewable energy resources, arable lands, and human capital, including market, should be useful not just for us as Africans, but mutually beneficial for those who are going to invest with us. So we are clear on what we have come to achieve and what Africa's position is going to be. Secondly, we will be in the new global order. We believe that a new San Francisco moment is imminent. The world order, as we have known it, is faltering. It is not that it's going to happen, it's already happened. But we also believe that international institutions, including the United Nations, are a necessary imperative. World Bank, IMF, other institutions have a serious role to play. But we need an...
Wanche murigire ntusange na ndege koraga Chinsa ikomichale omorogo bakulinda sebono omorobere of vibes on vibes oko so asembio biya muno sana kendera kurigireria Getembe TV ngoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa.